27 and again we were invited dito po sa may Elorde Undisputed San Fernando, Pampanga.
And this is their grand opening.
Yes!
So take note, available pa rin po yung mga promos.
Ayan guys, so let's experience and we want to show you guys ano pang nangyari ngayon. Samahan niyo po kami.
Tara, let's go!
First, we would like to thank the Elorde family and the Ong family for putting up this gym here in the city of San Fernando. Dahil ito ho isa sa mga komposisyon ng Susunod San Fernando na kailangan, yung live, work, play, that this also completes the whole community. And we thank you for choosing San Fernando, not just here in San Fernando, but for the whole province of Pampanga to promote the sport and as part of wellness as well. We would like to congratulate and thank the Ong family and the Elorde family na yung presence nyo ay nandito na so that young kids na interested mag-boxing, may facility na for them. And for those naman who want to exercise ang boxing, andito na rin mo kayo to guide and train them.
Elorde Undisputed Boxing Gym in the heart of San Fernando. This is a welcome opening for a gymnasium like this. And I would like to thank the son and daughter of the legendary Gabriel Flas Elorde. Napakabula din sila. As you very well know, Gabriel Flas Elorde put the Philippines in the boxing map. He dominated the featherweight division for so long and he inspired a lot of boxers that went after him. We congratulate everyone. God bless this specific fitness gym, boxing gym, na sana maraming mga enthusiasts, mga boxing enthusiasts and health enthusiasts ang mag-patronize dito. So sa inyo po lahat nandito, pleasant afternoon, maganda na po. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.